Hello babies, how are you today? All good? So we are back to our video classes again and we will be continue our video classes from now. But the pattern has changed a little. पहले आपको रोज आते थे इंग्लिश के क्लासेस, अब रोज नहीं आएंगे लिटरेचर के। वीडियो क्लासेस में जो हमारा टाइम टेबल था हम वो टाइम टेबल ही फॉलो करेंगे, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का टाइम टेबल। एंड जो आपके सब्जेक्ट्स के वीडियोस है वो टाइम टेबल के अकॉर्डिंग ही आएंगे आपको। सो यू विल नॉट बी गेटिंग द ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स वीडियो एवरी डे, यू विल बी गेटिंग टाइम टेबल के अकॉर्डिंग वीडियोस। फाइन। So as we were doing the lesson of travel stories and we have done the phonics double sound consonants, double consonant wala sound, and what else did we do? We did the story of Gulliver and the question answers and also the exercises of the same. Now we are proceeding with it. Till now what we have done, I gave you as a homework items I will carry and the reason. That is, suppose you are in a deserted island and what are the things that you will carry with you and why. I hope you all have done your homework. Now today we are going to do the colon. Now what is colon? Colon is a symbol that is used to denote anything if it is said or time. So what is the symbol of colon? Two dots. Two dots are the symbol of colon. So if we write a time, suppose if we want to write the time as it's 6 hours and 30 minutes, so we will write 06 colon and 30. So this way it is 6 hours 30 minutes. So two dots up and down are known as colon. So see here, after emperor there are two dots, red wala. And then what is written? Don't let us down now. Gulliver, we need your help. So who said? Emperor said this. So if we write something or say something or we are narrating a story, so what do? We put a colon. Like for example, I am a teacher, right? So what the teacher said? If you have to write it in a script or a story, what you will do? You will write here teacher, then colon, and then in front of that you have to write. आगे आपको लिखना पड़ेगा like teacher ने क्या बोला, then you put it in inverted comma, sit down and listen quietly, right? So you will put it in inverted commas. So this is how the colon works. See, ऊपर के exercises में भी we have colon. Clue, then colon. The mother is telling the child to keep her room clean. So what is the mother saying? The mother saying the child to keep her room clean. So this is the clue. So clue के बाद colon and then the statement. Similarly, here also the emperor, उसके बाद colon and then the statement. See, it is written here. We use a colon to introduce the words spoken by people in a play. In a play, that is, if you do a play, अगर आप कोई नाटक करते हो, कोई play करते हो, so when you write the dialogues, you have to put colons in front of the dialogues, right? So let's turn the page. Remember to carry these things with you on a camping trip, a toothbrush and a torch. We can use a colon to introduce a list of items. Sorry. We can also put colons to introduce a list of items. Suppose you are going somewhere and if anybody wants to remind you that whatever things you have to carry, उसको कैसे बोलेंगे? इसी तरीके से बोलेंगे. Remember to carry these things with you on a camping trip. Colon. And then write the list of items. Toothbrush, torch. What else it can be? Sleeping bag also, right? Because अगर आप camping पे जा रहे हो तो सोने के लिए क्या चाहिए आपको? You need a sleeping bag. Also you need a knife to protect yourself or to cut fruits. Also colon is used in time expressions. See, a colon is also used in time expressions. That is, if you have to write the time. As I told you earlier also, if you have to write a time, you can use a colon. Like 2:30 p.m. The train arrived at 2:30 p.m. So there is a colon after 2. Now here, in this exercise, colon wale exercise mein, what you have to do is, you have to put colons in front of the places where it is required, right? So as I told you, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था, जब किसी चीज का लिस्ट बताते हैं तो भी colons लगाते हैं, right? So the bag contained fruits. बैग में फ्रूट्स थे. कौन कौन से फ्रूट्स थे? सो द लिस्ट ऑफ फ्रूट्स. सो वी पुट colons आफ्टर द फ्रूट्स. नाउ नंबर 2. द कबर्ड हैज मैनी आइटम्स. कबर्ड में बहुत सारे आइटम्स हैं. सो व्हाट आर द आइटम्स? when we state the items, we put a colon over here. Items के बाद we put colon. Now number 3. The airplane will land at 6:15 sharp. So 6:15 is the time. We can put colon in stating the time also. So we put colon for showing the time, which is 6:15. So 6:15, right? Alright then. Chalo, number 4. Wasim, I will be reaching tonight. So what is Wasim saying? Wasim ke baad colon, because Wasim is saying this. So it is written Wasim, then colon. And what is Wasim saying? He is saying that I will be reaching tonight. That is, इसका मतलब मैं आज रात को पहुंच जाऊंगा. Now, number 5. The school gets over at 2:30 in afternoon. So again, see, there is time over here. So what you have to do is, you have to put colon after 2. That is, what is it saying? The school gets over at 2:30 in the afternoon, which means school जो है दोपहर के 2:30 बजे खत्म होता है. So showing the time after 2, we have to put the colon, right? So this was your classwork, which you have to do with me. आप मेरे साथ साथ वीडियोस देखते देखते करो तो आपका क्लास वर्क हो जाएगा. Now homework is afterwards. You have to do this afterwards. Now what is your homework? This is your writing part. We all love to visit or travel to different places, right? हम सबको अलग अलग जगह जाना और घूमना पसंद है ना? Now follow the given pattern to describe a place that you would like to visit with your family or friends. Now ये पैटर्न दिया है, इस पैटर्न को फॉलो करते हुए आपको उस जगह को डिस्क्राइब करना है जहां आप अपने फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स के साथ जाना पसंद करोगे. Okay, so how we have to write this? Firstly, we have to write the place. Like for example, I would like to go to Bali. So what place is it? Now how will you write it? You have to write like I would. मेरा कॉपी मत करना, आपको जो जगह पसंद है आपको वो लिखना है. आप कौन सी जगह जाना पसंद करोगे आपको वो लिखना है. मैं तो यहाँ पर आपको एग्जाम्पल दिखाने के लिए ये लिख रही हूँ. डू नॉट कॉपी मी. राइटिंग इज योर पार्ट. यू हैव टू डू द राइटिंग बट डू नॉट कॉपी मी. मैं तो आपको एग्जाम्पल देने के लिए लिख रही हूँ. ओके, मेरा सेम टू सेम कॉपी नहीं करना है, बिकॉज आप कहाँ जाना चाहते हो ये तो आपको मालूम होगा. आपको कौन सी जगह अच्छी लगती है. मुझे बाली पसंद है. सो व्हाट आई वुड राइट, आई वुड लाइक टू विजिट बाली with my family and friends. Now where is it? Bali is in Indonesia. Now Bali is in Indonesia and it is an island surrounded by sea. So what will I write? Where is it? Bali is in Indonesia. It is an island surrounded by sea. Right? What can we find or do there? We can find many beautiful sights and we can do water sports. Now what are water sports? Water sports is like water activities, that is scuba diving, or you can say fishing, or you can say riding boats, riding cruise, or maybe parasailing, paragliding, right? So all these are parts of water sports. If you Google on the internet, अगर आप इंटरनेट पे Google करोगे, so you can find what are the different kind of water sports. बहुत सारे water sports होते हैं, right? There's water boats के वहाँ पे races भी होते हैं, motor boats, right? Okay. What do you like the most about that place? So what do you like the most about that place? For me, the greenery and the beautiful I like the greenery and the beautiful sights of the place. I like the greenery, the people, the culture, the cleanliness, and the sea sights and water activities. Right? Okay. Is there anything else you want to mention about it? और कुछ बताना चाहोगे आप वहाँ के बारे में? अगर आपको बताना हो तो yes, I would like to. What would I like to say? The people are the people of Bali are well behaved and friendly. And what else? Tourism is the main earning source, right? So this is all about Bali. Now similarly, you have to write what is the place that you like. आपको कौन सी जगह पसंद है वो आपको बताना है, right? So here let us read the poem in the next page. What we have to do? We have to read the poem. हम आज poem पढ़ेंगे and I will explain it, and your homework will be the writing portion and reading the poem again. So let's read the poem. Now what is the title of the poem? It is I saw a ship sailing. That is, मैंने एक ship को sail करते हुए देखा. Sail is, ship क्या करते हैं? Ship ply on water, right? So plying on water is also known as sailing. I saw a ship a sailing. That is, मैंने एक ship को तैरते हुए देखा. A sailing on the sea. Of course, the ship sails on the sea, right? I saw a ship a sailing on the sea. And oh, but it was laden with pretty things for thee. That means उसके ऊपर बहुत सारे pretty things थे. बहुत सारी चीजें लोड की हुई थी, and those things were very pretty. Now what were those? There were comfits in the cabin and apples in the hold. So what were there? Comfits. Comfits, what are comfits? Comfits are small trunks, and that was in the cabin. And apples in the hold. Hold is the racks. There were apples in the racks. The sails were made of silk and the masts were all of gold. So what is mast and what is sail? Do you know that? Do you have any idea what is mast and what are sails? See, ये जो पर्दे लगे हैं ना, those are known as sails. And what is mast? Mast is ये ऊपर का गुंबज, ये ऊपर जो गुंबज है, that is known as mast. So the sails were made of silk and the mast were all of gold. The 4 and 20 sailors. The 4 and 20 sailors, that means total 24. 4 plus 20. That stood between the decks. Decks बने होते हैं वहाँ पे, ऐसे racks बने होते हैं, ऐसे ऐसे lines, उनको decks बोलते हैं. The 4 and 20 white mice. So who were the sailors? The white mice were the sailors, with chains about their necks. And how were they? They were chained on the neck. Neck में उन्होंने chains पहना हुआ था. The captain was a duck with a packet on his back. And who was the captain? See, the captain was the duck with a packet on his back. इसके back पे एक packet था. And when the ship began to move, the captain said, "Quack, quack." So when the ship about to move, began to move, जब ship जो है चलने लगा, sail करने लगा, so what did the captain said? Quack, quack. Why? Because it was a duck. So duck का काम क्या होता है? Quack, quack करना, right? Okay. So now let's read what is written over here. Quack, quack is an onomatopoeia. So what is onomatopoeia? Onomatopoeia is oh, mat, pee, that is the animal sound. Different types of animal sounds in a funny way is onomatopoeia. It is a sound word. It is read as the sound it denotes. For example, bang, zoom, honk. Can you suggest some more onomatopoeias? What else can be more onomatopoeias? Tring tring. It is a sound of a phone, right? Ting tong, sound of a bell. What else? What else it can be? Different funny sounds of different things is known as onomatopoeia. So what else can you think of? Just think. सोच के बताओ मुझे. Okay? Fine. So that is all for today. Catch you up in the next class. And please do your homework. Right? And take care. Bye-bye.